स्टूडेंट्स टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न साइंस ऑफ क्लास 6 और उसमें हम यूनिट 4 का कंटिन्यूशन पार्ट देख रहे हैं प्रॉपर्टीज़ ऑफ मटेरियल्स। हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड व्हाई अ टम्बलर इज़ नॉट मेड विद अ पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ। टम्बलर का मीनिंग है पानी भरने की जो टम्बलर आती है वो क्यों कपड़े से नहीं बनी हुई है। रिकॉल आवर एक्सपेरिमेंट विद पीसेज ऑफ क्लॉथ इन चैप्टर 3 एंड ऑल्सो कीप इन माइंड दैट वी जनरली यूज अ टम्बलर टू कीप अ liquid. Therefore, would it not be silly if we were make a tumbler out of cloth? What we need for a tumbler is glass, plastics, metal or other such material that will hold water. It would not be wise to use paper-like materials for cooking vessels. Using a cloth tumbler, see here. We see then that we choose a material to make an object depending on its properties and the purpose for which the object is to be used. So what are all the properties of materials that would be important for their uses? Some properties are discussed here. Appearance मतलब कि वो कैसा दिखता है. Materials usually look different from each other. Wood looks very different from iron. Iron appears different from copper or aluminium. At the same time, there may be some similarities between iron, copper and aluminium that are not there in wood. Activity 3. Collect some pieces of different materials. आपको क्या करना है, थोड़े थोड़े टुकड़े लेने हैं. किसके? पेपर के, कार्डबोर्ड, वुड, कॉपर वायर, एल्यूमिनियम शीट, चॉक. Do any of these appear shiny? Separate the shiny materials into a group. Shiny मतलब कि कौन सा मटेरियल इसमें से चमकता है. Now observe as the teacher cuts each material into two pieces and look at the freshly cut surface. What do you notice? Does the freshly cut surface of some of these materials appear shiny? Include these objects also in the group of shiny materials. Do you notice such a shine or luster in the other materials? Cut them anyway as you can. Repeat this in the class with as many materials as possible and make a list of those with and without luster. Instead of cutting, you can rub the surface of material with sandpaper to see if it has luster. Materials that have such luster are usually metals. Iron, copper, aluminium and gold are example of metals. Some metals often lose their shine and appear dull because of the action of air and moisture on them. We therefore notice the luster only on their freshly cut surface. When you visit an ironsmith or a workshop, look out for freshly cut surfaces of metal rods to see if they have luster. मटेरियल्स लेने हैं आपको जो मेटल से बने हुए हैं, आयरन, कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम और गोल्ड. ओके, और उन पे मॉइस्चर लगता है कि नहीं वो आपको देखना है. हार्डनेस मतलब कि वो कितने हार्ड है. When you press different materials with your hand, some of them may be hard to compress while others can be easily compressed. Take a metal key and try to scratch with it the surface of a piece of wood, aluminium, a piece of stone, a nail, candle, chalk and any other material or object. You can easily scratch some materials so easily, while some cannot. Materials which can be compressed or scratched easily are called soft. जो मटेरियल आप इजीली दबा सकते हैं, कंप्रेस कर सकते हैं, वो मटेरियल को कौन से मटेरियल बोला जाता है? सॉफ्ट मटेरियल. वाइल सम अदर मटेरियल्स कॉल्ड which are difficult to compress are called hard materials. For example, cotton or sponge is soft while iron is hard. In appearance, materials can have different properties like luster, hardness, be rough or smooth. Can you think of other properties that describes the appearance of a material? क्या आप लोग ऐसी कोई प्रॉपर्टीज़ बता सकते हो मुझे कि जो उसकी हार्डनेस, रफनेस और स्मूथनेस उसकी बता सके? थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे.